Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a meat tenderizer. You can see this is what the product looks like for the one that we got right here. And then on the side right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. But once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like once you guys take it out. So on the top part right here, they give you guys the option if you guys want to hang it somewhere to keep it all organized. And the bottom right here, we do have the brand logo. And right here, we do have all the prongs. You can see the way how they designed the bottom part for the prongs. Once you guys stick it through, all the high quality stainless steel prong will go through the hole. So literally all you need to do is just stab this onto your meat. Whether you can use it for like pork chop, steak, or even making roast pork, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. But definitely when you guys use the product, you guys want to be careful and try not to stab yourself, because eventually right here, it's actually very sharp. And when you guys feel the overall weight of the product, it doesn't feel too heavy. And the way how they designed the handle part here, it gives you guys good grip. So that way you can stab your meat really easily. Alright, so we got this piece of paper right here, and we do have the product. Let me just try to stab it to show you guys how sharp it is. So if you guys look really carefully on here, there's a bunch of holes, and that is from the actual meat tenderizer. So the product definitely does work, and it is pretty sharp, so you definitely want to be careful when you guys use it. But that is everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these, especially if you guys want to make your meat a lot more tender. Definitely getting one of these is actually really helpful and super worth it if you guys do plan on using it a lot. And using one of these is so much more convenient than you guys using a fork to stab your meat. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.